Earthquakes, floods, fires, it seems like we've seen a lot of stories about these things in the international news of late. The question is, are you prepared for a natural disaster?
Well, today we have for you a life hack, how to make a go bag for emergencies. And here to tell us all about it is Catherine Waite. Hey, Catherine.
Hi.
So this seems like a perfect time to be putting together a go bag, not just because we've seen it on the news, but also this coming Monday is National Disaster Prevention Day, September 21st. It's named after that big earthquake in 1999.
That's right. Yeah.
That's right. And this year, the government is working with stores to make it easier for people who want to be prepared for an emergency.
An emergency bag is also called a go bag. That's because you can grab it and go in the event of an earthquake, typhoon, fire, you name it. But what should we be packing in a go bag? The Interior Ministry has worked with superstores in Taiwan to set up areas where you can get what you need. Interior Minister Shu Guoyong introduces some of the items that should go in your bag. Things like a flashlight, wet wipes, a Swiss Army knife, a whistle, as well as enough food and water to last you for 3 days. The Interior Ministry is also working with online shopping platforms to help people buy what they need for their grab bag from the comfort of their homes. The minister also explained the importance of securing your furniture as it won't topple in a big quake and installing emergency alarms.
So what kind of things should go into your go bag? You'll of course need enough food and water for 3 days, clothes that can keep you warm, and a first aid kit with any medication you might need. This is probably most important, your ID or copies of it. Small things like a flashlight, a radio, batteries, a whistle, a Swiss Army knife. And don't forget, before you head out, wear shoes to protect your feet and something to protect your head. It might be handy to have a few masks ready too.
So once we have these bags ready, where do we go in the event of a disaster?
So the National Fire Agency website has maps of how to evacuate and where to seek shelter down to each neighborhood.
Wow.
That's great.
That is great.
Here is one for where RTI is located. On the map, police and fire stations are marked for people seeking help, as well as both indoor and outdoor evacuation shelters.
So do you guys have bags? Now you know where to go.
It's interesting. I didn't know where to go.
I didn't know
until just now.
either, so thanks
thank
for
you for
telling
that.
us. Yeah.
I don't have a go bag.
I don't have one either.
You don't either? What about you, Kat?
I had one a few years ago, and I ate everything in it.
You ate everything in it? Oh, no.
The snacks, they expire.
You have to keep it full.
Yeah. It's something you should check every year on September 21st,
Right.
National Disaster Preparedness Day.
Right. So thank you very much. Now we know what to do. Hopefully we don't need one of these go bags, but now we know how to make one. And that is our Taiwan Explained for the week.
That's right. And if you would like to make one of these go bags, we'll have a whole list for you in the show notes below.